Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp you have reached your monthly limit of new chat messages. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in WhatsApp application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search WhatsApp application. Update your WhatsApp application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device. Step 4. Again open your WhatsApp application. You can follow all of the steps to fix you have reached your monthly limit of new chat messages on WhatsApp. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.